2024 and going into 2025, okay, robot vacuums continue to evolve, offering better performance, smarter navigation, enhanced features for a cleaner home with minimal effort. Among the top contenders is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. I'll put them all in the description. Known for its advanced obstacle avoidance and its ability to handle pet hair with ease. This model also comes with a self-emptying base, making it a hassle-free option for busy households. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is another standout, offering powerful suction and an impressive mapping system. Its dual functionality, combining both vacuuming and mopping, makes it a great choice for those who want a thorough clean across different surfaces. Now, the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid also delivers a mention, also deserves a mention, sorry. Praised for its high suction power and efficient cleaning patterns, all while maintaining a quiet operation. For those seeking premium features, the Dyson 360 Hurist is a top pick with its superior cleaning power and unique 360-degree vision system that ensures a precise, thorough clean in every corner. On the more budget-friendly side, the Shark IQ robot offers a solid performance with smart mapping and a self-emptying feature, making it a great value. These robot vacuums represent the best in technology, offering a range of options for different needs and preferences, ensuring a smarter, more efficient clean in 2024 and 2025.